I am going to opt out. You okay? You need water? You need to eat something sweet? Alright, and what about you? Are you feeling spicy?
Yes, but I like these noodles.
You like the noodles? Did you like them?
No,
Would you like to try them again?
never.
Oh, wow, that was such a cool reaction, and that was an honest one. I'm very nervous. Hello and welcome back to another video. So today we are going to try something new, and it will be a challenge that we are going to try these ramen noodles. So we got them and this is, I think, the most spiciest flavor in this brand that we have here available, and we are having good 5 people in total, including me. We have got Ahmed, we have got Rahim, it's me, it's Ramin. We have got Omar as well.
Hi.
So, all of you guys know me and Omar. We've got 3 more candidates with us who would like to opt and try these. First of all, I would like to introduce you guys to these people, who they are, what their ages are, and if they're actually willing to taste them or not. Because I have known that this is very, very, very spicy. I'm not kind of person who would like to try them, but still, let's see. All right. So, what's your name?
Ahmed.
And how old are you, Ahmed?
16.
Are you ready to try these?
Yes.
Have you tried them before?
Yes. Yes.
So, are you confident that you can eat them easily?
Yes. Yes.
All right. We have got another contestant with us. And what is your name?
Rahim,
And Rahim, how old are you?
9 years.
And have you tried them before?
No.
Are you confident that you can taste them?
Yes.
Let's see what comes next. I wouldn't have to tell you my age because you guys know me anyway. So, all right. What's your name?
Ramen,
And what's your age?
10.
Are you ready to eat them?
Yeah.
Have you tried them before?
No.
Do you know what this is and how much spicy it is?
No.
Well, you do not know that, so that would be something which would be a first time impression that we are going to get from her. All right, so lastly we've got,
Umar, everyone know me, bro.
okay, and how old are you?
13.
And I know that you are somebody who loves to eat spicy things. So, well, these are very, very spicy, and what we have tried to do is we have gotten some sweets here, so just in case if anyone cannot bear the spiciness of these noodles, so they could have them. And whoever won't be able to end these would be opting out one by one, and I guess I would be the first person opting out from there. So, are you guys ready to try them?
Yes.
Let's see, what do we have? I'm very nervous. All right.
What the? These are not spicy.
They definitely are.
No,
Yes, okay.
they're not.
I am going to opt out. I'm the kind of person who do not like to eat spicy at all. I'm done. Let's see who's going to finish them first then.
Okay.
I'm done.
You done?
Yes.
We've got Ahmed and Rahim. That was so real reaction.
Done. That was easy, by the way.
You okay? You need water? You need to eat something sweet? Ha! I was a smart guy. I didn't try them. So how was your experience? Oh, you were sweating.
Yes, because it's just the normal action that when I eat spicy something, so I start to sweat. But really, I'm not like I'm not feeling that much spicy at all.
Okay. All right. And what about you? Are you feeling spicy?
Yes, but I Like the noodles.
You like the noodles? He is literally just simmering his lips like. All right. And what about you? Did you like them?
No.
Would you like to try them again?
Never.
Oh, wow, that was such a cool reaction, and that was an honest one. What about you? You're spitting as hell as well.
You know, everyone, whenever someone eat spicy thing, he always sweat. But I love these, and I even want to try the Pakiwan chips.
Oh, what are those?
They are the most spicy chips in the whole universe.
Wow, I mean, this was one of the reaction videos that we have. We are going to come across with a lot more. Hope you guys liked it. Stay tuned because we will be coming up with a lot of other content. So till then, make sure you subscribe to our channel. I'm done. I'm gonna eat the sweet. Thank you. Say bye-bye.
Bye.